Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to improve product description in Shopify using Sidekick. This helps customer understand the product better and increase the sale. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Here we can click on Sidekick, then expand it. Here we can ask click enter. So it is processing. So here we can see it will suggest to improve product description. So to get complete improved version of description quickly, we can type give a product name. Here I give thermal gloss. Then click on enter. It is processing. So it will go to the product section. Here we can see it will change the description automatically. It is processing. Yeah, it has been changed. So we can ask to make it simple. So here we can see now it is clean and clear, also simple. Also by scrolling down we can see the SEO section. It also has been changed. So from here we can click on generate text. Here also we can see the sidekick icon. We can type here also. So then see the changes. It has been saved. So this is how you can improve your product description using Sidekick. So for better description, help customer buy faster. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.